Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 1:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, October 29, 2021. This is not financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell. Be notified of the videos when they come out, as well as a thumbs up. Share the video. We're talking about the graph as well as RLC or iExec. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below. Let's go straight to the markets on the graph. Definitely catching a nice bid. We're almost at $1. We hit as high as $1. Let's just take a closer look on this thing. Right here, about $1, a little over $1. I think we're going to carry on from this point on the way up. I think overall we definitely are starting to pass through this subtle line of resistance, and I think Bitcoin dominance going down will certainly fuel the fire needed on the GRT Bitcoin pair as well. Now, right now, the graph is over at 99.67. We've got to get well over that dollar and stay over that dollar mark to start our next trend and charting upward and onward. In the meantime, looking over at the graph relative to Bitcoin, certainly also looking like we're already over it. So we've already busted through, I think, now, given the fact that the Bitcoin version of the graph is on its way up. I think that will definitely fuel the graph US dollar, coupled with where I think Bitcoin's going. We'll talk about that in a second. Let's go over to RLC US dollar. Certainly catching also a nice bid. Again, Web 3.0 technologies are very bullish over the last 24 hours. Starting to see a trek up towards the 434 range. We still have the line of support around 380, but I have a feeling we're going to start heading up on a measured move closer to that 430 range. In the meantime, over to the RLC Bitcoin pair, we're still hovering over this, still staying over that 6,500 line. Caught a nice little bit overnight, actually into the morning to 6,900, but pulled back. But again, I think we're still going to oscillate back up again as well. We'll talk about that once we get to Bitcoin dominance, but just so everyone knows, we have a breakthrough the resistance line on the Bitcoin US dollar pair, starting to check up. I think we're going to check up to 66,000 and change over the next week, and it could be a nice slow and measured move up towards this line. This line here, this long-term line, is a line that goes to 80,000. Now, over to Bitcoin dominance, we're on our way down. I think we're going to start to channel it all the way downward as Bitcoin goes up, creating a lot more confidence in the altcoin market as we go. In the meantime, graph relative to dollar, I think we're going to rally over this dollar mark based on where I think dominance is going on Bitcoin, as well as the fact that we've already broken that. We're staying well above the line of support on the graph relative to Bitcoin pair, and then ultimately I think we'll see some rally on RLC. But we need to see kind of the RLC Bitcoin pair jump a bit more and get a little more excited. But I'll keep you all posted on Twitter.